Hello everybody, my name is Alex Day. I'm really excited to be presenting in front of you today. Ever since I was little, I've always been caring about the environment and really just wondering how to deal with the growing problem of global warming and the increasing temperature of the world. I always was interested in finding ways to take carbon dioxide, which only seem to be causing problems in the world, and turn that into useful products that we can later use. And I was really excited to find out that there was research that involved doing just that. So, all of you should probably be familiar with photosynthesis that plants do. Plants basically take carbon dioxide from the air and turn it into sugar. That's great, but at the current rate that we're going, planting a bunch of trees may not just be enough. We really need to implement drastic change in order to turn things around, if not mitigate the harmful effects we're experiencing already. And that really has to do with the type of work that my research group is doing, which is photocatalysis. Photocatalysis is essentially doing the same things that plants are doing, just in a laboratory setting. And one of the more overlooked molecules that are involved with this is the photosensitizer, the thing that captures the light and turns it into a useful form that the photocatalyst can use to take CO2 and reduce it down into a useful product. So, as of right now, we are looking at zinc dipyrin dyes for this matter. Zinc dipyrin dyes have shown a lot of potential to not only take the light and turn it into a useful form of energy, but also hold on to that energy long enough to pass it on to the photocatalyst in solution. My work in our research group was to flesh out the potential that these zinc dipyrin dyes had as photosensitizers. And while there's much work to be done to see what kind of products to produce and how much, I have laid down the foundation for us to test all the rest of the photosensitizers that we have left to analyze. Admittedly, there is much work to be done in the field of photocatalysis. Right now, the best we can produce are simple fuels such as methane and methanol. But by testing a bunch of different zinc dipyrin photosensitizers, we may be able to elucidate trends that will allow us to really come up with reactions that will produce more complex products on demand.